To many people, smart manufacturing is the use of data analytics and intelligent networking to deliver faster, better, more effective operations. Products need people to operate them, and there are processes needed to govern how they interact together. And so, perhaps better expressed, it's how do you use data analytics, intelligent networking to connect people, products and processes. And for that reason, we think it's more of a change management program than a simple technology deployment. Well, so vacuum and abatement is a critical part of semiconductor manufacturing, regardless of the device type or the process node. There are hundreds, sometimes thousands of vacuum and abatement units in the subfab. Each one of those is a potential source of risk and uncertainty to the clean room, usually in the form of unplanned tool downtime. So we believe that by applying those principles of smart manufacturing, connecting people, products and processes together, we help our customers achieve their own smart manufacturing goals. Well, the subfab is a complex and often challenging environment. Safety is paramount because of the hazardous byproducts subfab equipment handles. Those byproducts also present challenges to the equipment and affect directly how vacuum and abatement products perform. Hence, we see the main challenge as creating a well-managed ecosystem of people, products and processes using data analytics and supported by expert domain knowledge. We think this holistic approach is the best way to manage and reduce risk and uncertainty in the subfab. We call this approach operational excellence. Operational excellence is about enabling everything and everyone to realise their full potential. So alongside the use of data analytics and systems to share knowledge, we also employ core principles linked to Shingo and lean operation models. For example, we create zones where teams own, manage and improve their own work areas. We use standard work and best known methods to create stability that not only improves effectiveness, but improves the quality of the data that we collect. We then train our teams to use problem-solving techniques alongside data analytics. If I was to summarise, operational excellence is about collaborating with key stakeholders across the wider fab. It's about interacting closely at all levels to understand the challenges and the priorities for reducing risk and uncertainty in the subfab. That way together we can help create the environment for a successful fab-wide smart manufacturing program.